Welcome back. This is part 4 of building my own side-by-side rack to put it on the back of my truck. It's been a successful build. You can watch the entire series if you want. This is part 4. I actually started out with 2 more videos prior to the 1, 2, and 3. Building of the ramps and the actual engineering start of the whole project. So if you'd like, you can go back and watch the whole thing if you're interested, possibly building your own. It's actually pretty easy. I made a few mistakes along the way, but overall, I'm ecstatic. It's going to work exactly what I wanted it for. I brought it here today with my side-by-side on it from home. Handles very, very well on a 1-ton truck, other than the wind resistance and not much sway. I've driven stuff that's a lot worse than this. This actually, you know, corners that are rated at 45 mile an hour, I can still take at 55. It don't hardly lean that much. You notice the wind drag a little bit, but all right. Running it up on the truck. All right, we'll quick do a walk around. Everything seems to tie down and work very well. I put a couple straps on the front to hold it down, along with the tire straps. Handles very well going down the road. To show how this all packed away, I'm going to make a few minor adjustments, and I'll go over that a little bit as I've used it once now. The ramps aren't too bad. They are a little heavy, but like I said, they're not bad. All you do is pop them off, start to fold them up. And I lean them under and I can slide them. I'm debating on if I want to add a tube so that they sit flat, but then they probably slide around a little bit more. There is enough room to stand them up on edge. So I could store them on edge and strap them back. Then I would need another tube. Problem is my hinge bolt kind of sticks down, so that's going to hit. I could put some UHMW or nylon pads down and have a center slot for the bolt head to go through, and then they would probably slide a whole lot easier. There's a lot of things that can be done to make this a lot nicer. Another issue was I did measure when I was up there. Our preliminary measurement from here at the back of the truck, we were going to be about 13 feet high, and I went over that in the previous video. Now the back end of the truck is up quite a bit, so actually if you come forward it drops down. My top of the buggy measurement is actually 12'4", and with ratchet straps to the front end I can pull it down another 4 inches. I'm at my 12 foot that I really wanted to be at, so that extra foot is a big deal. I've seen a lot of bridges that aren't much more than 12 feet high, so being able to get under them, the ones that are less than that, I'm either have to go around or I'm going to have to stop and unload. You know, I'm not going to use this a whole lot. The idea is to use this with my buddy, and we can ride together and I can pull his trailer. The other thing is I'm thinking about getting a camper, and I'm able to pull a camper. You can do that just a few times a year. So this was a better alternative than getting a really long trailer that I got to pull around all the time, and then I can't have a camper unless I get one that goes in the bed of my pickup. It just made more sense to do this. Building this my own, yes, I saved money. It does take a lot of time. Like I said, I had a little over 60 hours wrapped up into this. Now that did include the ramps. I've got another probably 25 to 30 hours into the ramps themselves. So probably closer to 90 to 100 hours complete. But I like the unfinished aluminum look. I could go through and sand and polish it up a little bit more. We have a few scratches on the side. Some of that's from tipping it and rolling it over on the floor. Some of it's, you know, was that way when I bought the aluminum and how they delivered it. So there's a little bit more work that can be done, but overall really nice, and I'm really happy with it. I love how it handles down the road. Gonna have no issues. So that's all I got on this one. We'll find another project another day. I'm also going to have another video of the winch that's going up on top, so you can look for that one here shortly. Definitely made my goal. In a few days here we're gonna be out of here and on the road and out having a blast on the trails someplace. So look forward to those videos, and we'll keep going. Thanks for watching.